So now we'll go to the controller. So now again, I'm telling for these all our options already we will know, right? So today we'll discuss about these options also. For this page, we need to know for the all things. So as of now, we know schedule based scenario and assume to group based schedule, what are things will be there. Start users, nothing but what is the start users means?
Ramp up.
Ramp up. Duration.
Ramp up.
And stop users means ramp down.
Ramp down.
Okay. And here we can see the schedule by scenario, schedule by group, and real world and basic schedule. And going to the after that, we have the options will be there. We need to check for the each and every option. So you need to start scenario means you can click on this and automatically start the scenario. So this is shortcuts. And after that, this is the virtual users. So you need to add for the virtual users means you can click on here, and here will be add UV users there, right? You need to add for the which script you need to select for the which script you want to add. You need to select that script and you need to give for here. You for example, you are adding 10, then you can give for the 10 users. For this script only you can add. For each and every script you want to add means you can add it. So virtual users nothing but number of users point of view. So and after that, this is for the add group. Add group nothing but just scripts only. What are the we have scripts will be there. Maybe you miss any script, so you can go to here or you can directly click on here. Also you need to add for the script name. And after that, you want to remove group, so you can select. I selected this one, right? You want to remove means you can click on this. It will be ask for the you want to remove group. See, it is removed. Okay, this is for the next one will be so now you can observe this is the what is this? Stock system. 1 minute. Stock. Now you can observe this is the runtime settings. Means you need to select the script because now which what is the scenario scheduled by group will be there. That is why each script will be we need to design ourselves. Each and every script having ramp up, ramp down, duration. Same to each script we need to give the runtime settings also. So you can select this one and you need to click on runtime settings, and we need to add for the runtime setting. Sometimes what will happen means already existing scripts and everything will be there. They will give for the one document. For this, for example, I selected web booking 1801-2022. In this script, they will give for the runtime settings. In the general, what things we need to add, run logic, how many number of iterations we need to give, and same to the pacing, how much we need to give, and everything they mention. Based on that, you need to add here. And logs you need to every time, this is the very important, disable every time when you are executing the text. So this is for the runtime settings. And after this you can observe parameter list. For this you have any parameters and it will show for the in the script what are the parameters you have. It will show for this all will be parameters. So now you can observe this all will be parameters. So what are the parameter list will be there? You want to see means you can go to here and click on parameter list and it will display for the script. Maybe you can go to this script and you need to click on parameter list, and if it is there it will show only domain URL only it will be there. Okay, like this you need to check for that. And this is for the details. And for example, you can click on here. So for this script details it will display. This is the booking and 06-2022. This is the load generator you assign for the local host, and just you want to see for this group name, so you can click on that details. and this will be view script. So particular script you want to view means open means you can click on this view script, it automatically views and this script will be open. And after that this will be service virtual utilization, this will be no need okay. And after that you can observe this also, create new scenario means you want to create for this new scenario means you want to save this and click on no, then you need to create for the new scenario. Okay. And after that this is the open existing, already you done any scenario you already saved, so you need to open that one, you need to click on no and you need to open for the existing one. This is for the save the activity section. For example, you want to save this one, you can click on this, it will be saved automatically. See, it will ask for the scenario. You want to save which name you want, you need to give for the scenario name. Like you are doing for the flight booking. Okay, load test means you can give for the scenario name load test and LRS. LRS, what is the extension of scenario? Load runner? LRS dot LRS. Okay, you need to save means you can save. So like this you need to save. And this is for the load generator. So you want to add any load generators or you need to connect means you need to, and now you can, it is a down will be there, you want to connect means is connected, it's ready means it is a connected. You want to disconnect means you can click on here, it is a disconnected, down means it is a disconnected. Otherwise you want to add any other load generator, you can click on add and you need to give for the load generator name and give for the okay. See, it is added. And again you want to connect means you can click on connect. Otherwise you want delete means you can select this and you can click on delete, it will delete. And you want to disable means you can disable. So this will be load generators. And going to the show virtual users, that is no need. So this will be invoke the virtual user generator. Particular script which you are selected, that script you want to open means reason you can click on invoke there. This is also same and this is also same. View script and this is also. So this will be invoke load runner analysis. Analysis nothing but analyzer. You want to open for the analyzer, you can click on this. And going to the after that in file, we can see for the new, open and close, save, save as. Means you want to open new means click on new. You want existing, you can open means open. And you want to save means save, save as means where you need to save, you can click on that one. This will be previous scenarios, recent what we done as of now, it will show that. And after that view, we can see for the view, show output window, status bar, toolbar. So you want to show new scenario dialog means you can need to use for this one. And scenario, you want to start this scenario means click on F5 is start cut. And you want to reset means you can reset. And we have the show convert to scenario. So okay, model warning or you need to add for the load generators, click on here. And this is the run or stop or users means you need to click on this one. And this will be everything in results. So you want to already test is completed, you need to analyze the results means click on analyze results, then it will display for the current test results. And as same to result settings you want design, and this is the diagnostics, this is the tools, and this is the help. So this all will be options for in design mode. And as same to one more thing we miss, this will be service level agreement, SLA. SLA means already I told, right? For example, what is the response time means launch, login, flight booking, payment, logout will be there. Each and every transactions we are getting for the some response time, right? So actually client they will given as a 50 users will be SLA will be 2 seconds. So you need to check for the SLA, it is more than that or not, you need to check. So at that point of view, you need to assign for the SLA means you need to click on new. And after that click on next. And you need to select for the transaction response time. Here we have the two types will be there, percentage and average. So we'll go with the average. And after that you need to, we are selecting as a transaction response time. Apart from this, we have the total it's there, average it's there, total throughput is there, average throughput will be there. So only for I am selecting for that response time. And after that next. And what are the transaction names will be there in our all scripts, it will display for the all. For example, I want for the launch T01 will be there. You need to add. And as same to the after launch, what is that? Login. So for login. And after login, what is the transaction? Find flight button, flight booking. Okay. And flight booking. And after that, what is the transaction? 0304 payment. And after that payment is completed, sign off. So these every transaction I need to give for the SLA. So that is why I've selected these scenarios. You want means other scenarios means you can select others also. Okay, click on next. And so here you need to assign for the selected measurement will be, see, you can observe transaction response time means the average. So the load criteria will be running users. We have the different things will be there, transaction per second, transactions per second pass, a throughput. So we can there. So you need to select for the running users, and you need to give for the like less than 2 seconds and greater than equal to 2 means our SLA will be less than 2 seconds and it is not greater than equal to 2. So you need to assign for the SLA like this, and after that click on next. Now you can observe here transaction response time running users less than 2 and greater than or equal to 2 means it will be less than 2 is fine, and it's greater than or more than then we are not meeting for the our SLA. So this will be applicable for this all transactions. What are the transactions you are selected, that will be all transaction will be applicable. You want to apply to all transactions means it will be automatically apply for the all the transaction. You are not selected here also. You want to click on the apply to all transactions, it will apply for the all the transaction. After that click on next and define as other SLA means you can click on other. So if it is finished means you can click on finish. Now you can observe transaction response time we added. Okay. So like this, so we need to add, and after that you need to observe, we need to add the edit means edit is possible, delete also possible, and you want to see the details. Otherwise you want to add for the new means you can click on new. So this is the SLA, service level agreement. So once this all things we are again, I'm 2000 users, right? That much of capacity don't have for this. Okay, I'm giving for the 20. Every 2 users will be 15 seconds. So I'm giving now schedule based scenario only. Okay, total users will be 50 users, and I'm giving for the every 10 users will be 15 seconds. Means how much time it will happen in ramp up?
1 minute, 1.501.
Yes, 1 minute 15 seconds. And after that duration, I'm giving for the duration will be 5 minutes. That is fine. Okay, and ramp down, I'm giving for the same scenario. I'm giving 10 users for 15 seconds will be ramp down. Click on OK. See, scenario is the design is completed, and you can observe this all users, all scenarios also to pick for the some total 50 users will be automatically assigned because we are selecting as a schedule based scenario. So no need to select for the each and every one. Only you can done for one, and it will applicable for this ramp up, ramp down duration for all scenarios. Got it? So scenario is completed. Now we need to go to the runtime, and you need to start this scenario. So now you can observe these are the scenarios we are executing. Total users will be 50, all will be down status. So now see, well, during the test means we are seen for the task manager, and we observe for the CPU and memory utilization. See, so now is 38, it is showing for the 26 or 18 it is showing, and memory also you can observe 72% now is there. But every time we can see like this means it is not possible. That is why we need to like we have the some monitoring tools will be there, side score, Perfmon will be there. While during the test, before doing the test, we need to configure for that monitoring tools also. So I'm open for the performance monitor will be there. YP is not. See performance monitor. Everyone able to see performance monitor? Click on open. So only for CPU and memory point of only we are doing for this one. Okay. So unable to add these counters, memory available counters. Anyone can share your screen and give me controller to me. Hello. Anyone sharing? Ismail or Lakshmi? Everyone able to hear or not?
Yes, Annie.
Why
Yeah,
no
ma.
one is talking?
Smiley sharing, Annaya.
Sorry.
Smiley sharing.
Okay, share Ismail. I will stop my screen. Okay. So for example, now, okay, I'm asked for the, wait 1 minute, request remote control, and I'm requesting. So now Ismail has added one scenario, right? And after that, I want to add for. Okay, so now we need to add for one more scenario, means you can just click on here and we are adding for the one more scenario, whatever maybe. But you need to don't give for my like this. So your script, everything announcement, script announcements complete only, you need to push in controller. So just your understanding purpose only I'm giving for this. And one more scenario I will add. Okay, and now I am designing the scenario. And the total users will be 50, and I'm giving for the every 10 users will be 15 seconds ramp up, and duration 5 minutes. Okay, and here also I'm giving for the 10 every 15 seconds. So click on okay. So scenario design is completed. Now we'll go to the okay. Search window, where is search? Okay, here. You need to click on performance center. You're not Windows 10, Ismail?
No, no,
Huh?
no, no, no.
Where we can search in performance monitor is not there in our system. Apart from Ismail, anyone can share your screen. Ismail don't have. Meanwhile, you can check Ismail. It is performance monitor will be there, not there. You can check.
Okay.
See, performance monitor will be there. You need to check that one. So, Lakshmi, you are connected through mobile or laptop?
ల్యాప్టాప్ అని షేర్ చేస్తున్న స్క్రీన్
Okay.
వచ్చిందా రిక్వెస్ట్
Rolling. Yeah, we got it. So now everyone able to see, right, Lakshmi screen?
Yes, sir.
So now we are in design phase. Lakshmi, don't, okay, I will ask for the request. Yeah. So now we are in design phase and already, okay, start is a runtime and everything scheduled by group. So yes, said, okay, whatever maybe, okay, no problem. And now,
Runtime search.
Lakshmi, minimize this one, controller.
This one is. Hello.
You can search window, you can click on performance center, performance monitor, search.
Yeah, it's open. Search చేసేసాను అన్నయ్య.
You are not shared entire screen, I think. Only you shared only one screen.
Okay.
That is why we are
She
unable to
not
speak.
minimize, Annaya. Actually, she not minimize.
No. So, same too, she is not sharing for entire screen. She shared only one single screen.
Hello.
Yeah. Wait, Lakshmi, I will share my screen. So once the scenario is completed, right, we can open for the performance monitor. So this is the performance monitor to monitor the server side statistics, nothing but CPU and memory utilization. So we need to add for the counters here, CPU and memory point of view before start the test. So you need to configure for the monitor means we have the data. So you can observe here, you can click on here. CPU memory already it is running. You can observe here. Graphical oriented also current CPU and memory it will be showing, but we want to for the particular load time only what is the CPU and what is the memory we need to know. So at that point of view we need to do for the right, we need to add for the counters. So how do we need to add the counters means you need to click on data collector set and click on, okay, in the user defined will be there. Now you can click on data collector set and after that user defined and click on new data collector set. And you need to give for the test name. So I'm giving for the sample test. Okay. And after that, we have the two types will be there, create from a template or create for manually. We need to click on for the create manually. Okay. Next will be disable. Why? Already sample test will be there. Okay, I'm giving for the sample test. 111 is our test name. Okay, I'm click on the manually. After that, click on next. And after that, now you can observe create data collector set. We need to add for the counters are told, right? Performance counters will be there. You need to click on this performance counters. And after that, click on next. And now we need to add for the performance counters. What is the performance counters? Nothing but CPU and memory. This all will be counters. We can click on add button. Now you are able to see for the CPU memory and all will be different counters will be there, but we should monitor only CPU and memory. So you need to check for the, see, this is the processor memory. So for my system actually is, that is why I told for you my system I don't have for that memory counters and CPU counters because some issue will be there in my OS. That is why I'm unable to see. And so I'm adding for the, in this is the memory counters. In that memory counters, we have the some different counters will be there. Total committed means, total committed means, what is the committed means, already it is a used, how much it is a used memory you want to monitor, means you need to add for the this one. Okay, in that you need to add for the any one now, and just click on add. See, it is the total committed, it is added. And after that you want to, what is the local use of this memory you want to add, means you can click on add. So in the memory is a counter. In the memory we have the sub counters will be there, total committed, and we have the some other also will be there. Okay, if anyone open, I will show you that one. Okay, no problem. And this is the process memory counter, and we need to check for the processor counters also. Processor nothing but CPU. See, everyone able to see processor information. So in the processor information, we have the different will be there. Like you need to only add for the what we need to add those counters only. Processor time we need. So you need to select for the processor time. And after that you want user time, you can add for the user time. And privilege time, you want privilege time, you can add privilege time as a one counter. And as same to the, we need to add for the anything. Okay, you want idle time, means you can add for the idle time. So this will be common for every time we need to add for the same. So total committed and average queue length will be there, local use and processor time and user time. Mostly these two will be very important, processor time and user time. And you need to add, once is added, then click on OK. See what are counters we added, all counters it will be showing here. And after that click on next and click on next. See here it is asking for the different will be there, open property, this collectors data select set, or start the test collector set now, save and close. So you need to, I'm clicking for the save and close and finish. See, I created for the, this is the sample test 111 I created. So you need to right button this one and click on properties. In the properties you need to see for the general, and we have the schedule will be there. So you can click on schedule and click on add. And for example, we are beginning the test date is a 4/20/20 date, and you need to give for that time for which time you need to start your test. So for example, right now what is the time?
8:40.
8:40.
8:40.
8:40